What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 FREEMINT NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think they have a decent potential either to keep or flip. And as usual, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into NFT projects or cryptocurrency projects. And if you can do me a favor, follow me on my Twitter, I would really appreciate it. So the first project, it's called ReducedToClear. And as you can see, it's very early projects, but already few top alpha group in the NFT space are following them and few big influencers. So I think this is a really good project to keep an eye on and try to get a whitelist spot. Since it's at very early stage, I don't think it's hard to get a whitelist spot for this specific project. And as you can see right here, they have a link tree and they have a website. Website is actually pretty cool. So if we're gonna open it up, new page is gonna appear. It's gonna load, and then once it's gonna load, first thing you're gonna see is this tunnel right here. Then like some kind of anonymous person appeared, and then it's over here, and then this little message is gonna appear. You can skip or you can read through. I'm just gonna skip for this video tutorial and then continue. The new room is gonna appear, and in here it looks like a basement or like a little bunker or something underground or like a safe spot. And then also you can read through this, and then if I'll skip and then press on continue. So here's the information and the mission about this project, and looks like the main goal is actually to help photographer, music artists and other artists, help them to get out their artwork or any kind of work they're doing using Web3. And you can read through the entire mission through the home page, and they also have merch, Twitter, and more info on their website. So this is just another one that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think this project has a bright future. And plus, if we go back, if you open up their link tree, they have a Medium page, so they have different bunch of Medium articles you can read through and find out exactly what they're trying to achieve with this project. The second project, it's called JOMO HIPPO. It's a free mint. They have Discord and they have a pre-mint link, so you can open it up, you can try to register, and hopefully you can get yourself whitelist spot like that, or just interact with their Twitter post when they're doing giveaway or collabing with different NFT projects or alpha groups. And the last project, it's called DOGE Hero Legendary Free Mint, and this one's actually going to be minting on January 8th. And as you can see, this is just mint information. They already have a website, and then I think on the website you can find their OpenSea link as well. So they have Twitter, Discord, website, OpenSea, and Explorer. Basically you can be able to see their contract. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they collabing with different alpha groups and different NFT projects. And this is pretty much it. This is 3 FREEMINT NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. I think they have a decent potential, especially the very first one. The other 2, they might be a good projects to flip, or if you really like the art, like a PFP or something, you can keep them. And all the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.